Good morning, class 7. Today we are doing the vocabulary section. Vocabulary section, the first topic is collocations. It's a new word to you, so we will read the definition of this. Collocation is a familiar grouping of words, especially words that habitually appears together and thereby conveys a meaning by association. Means two words are joined together to, maybe it can be either adverb, adjective, noun plus noun, adjective plus noun. These are the different types of collocations. So there are different types of collocations. We will now take up 7 main types of collocations with examples. First one is adverb plus adjective. Hurting animals is really horrible thing to do. You know, really is an adverb, horrible. So it is really horrible. Whenever you say horrible, you normally add the word really. So they are all together. These two words are always taken together. So they are co-located to each other. They are related to each other. Whenever we say horrible, so somewhat we say really horrible. Second one is adjective plus noun. The doctor ordered him to do regular exercise. Whenever we say exercise, we normally use the word regular. Regular exercise, maiden voyage, acute pain or the sharp pain. So these are the combination of adjective plus noun. Third one is noun plus noun. I want 2 loaves of bread, please. What do you call a piece of bread? Loaf. So she wants or he wants 2 loaves of breads. The ceasefire agreement came to an effect at 11 a.m. Always with the soap we use the word bar. So bar of soap or bars of soap. The next collocation is noun plus verb. The dog started to bark when it heard the lion roaring. Snow was falling as our plane took off. The fifth one is verb plus noun. The thief was jailed for committing a theft. Always with the theft we read the word committed. Committed a theft. So here the thief was jailed was committing a theft. Verb plus expression with prepositions. We had to return home because we had run out of money. They have to return because their money has been exhausted. So run out means exhaustion of the money. Their behavior was enough to drive anybody to crime. Drive anybody to crime means they are forced to do the crime. Their behavior forces the other person to do the crime. Verb plus adverb. She placed her keys gently on the table and sat down. Maya whispered softly in Jyoti's ear. I remember vaguely that it was growing dark when we left. Now we come to the exercises. Select the appropriate words. He is an early riser. And because she enjoys walking at a slowly pace. She is a much beautiful and charming person. I am hopeful that we can come to an agreement. The Chief Minister gave a radio broadcast on the occasion. The speeding car came to a screeching halt. He is an attacking batsman. Fill in the correct collocations and complete the sentences. What time did you take dinner? Excuse me, would you mind taking a photo of me? Can you do me a favor? I must make a decision about my aim in life. Have you done your homework? Would you like a strong cup of tea? I will have to rush if I intend to catch the train. You need to listen carefully to me to understand my point of view. The beautiful story came to an end with the tragic death of the hero and the heroine. We were caught in rain, hence we got wet. Now what you have to do, you have to just match A and B, and in the column C you have to make sentences with it. So this will be your homework. You have to just match the column A with column B, and whatever word you get, that you have to make a sentence in column C. So this will be your homework. I hope so that collocations are very well understood by you. Thank you.